Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will tell you how to make a better CV for yourself and what that better CV shows about yourself to the recruiters and to the managers. And I want you all to watch this video till the end so that you can get the better insights, or in case you aren't able to watch this video full, then please do visit my website to get a better content on how to make your CV. Before starting, you can have a look at my CV which I used to submit during my articleship. See, this has got nothing. I didn't know how to showcase my talent. I didn't know how to showcase my skills. I didn't know what to write and what not to write. I didn't know which heads to use. Now, while applying for jobs, I changed my format of CV quite frequently. I wasn't on LinkedIn. I never used YouTube for how to make a CV. I just searched on Google, read various contents, and finally developed the best CV for myself. I never cleared the second group of IPCC. I am still not semi-qualified CA, but still I made the best CV of, with my extracurriculars, with the work I have done during my articleship, with all the exposure and experience I got during my articleship, and with the talent and skills I had. So before showing that, I want to just tell you one thing, that you can download the templates from anywhere, either from Canva, or you can use the Microsoft online templates, or you can use any sites, or you can develop your own template. That's not an issue. Now have a look at my CV which I began submitting for jobs. I applied for jobs using this CV at various places, and I got calls too for interviews, and finally placed at one of the big fours. What I feel is writing objective is so common. People just copy it from Google. Objectives are so generalized in CV. So better to write about yourself. Showcase your skills. Write 4 to 5 lines about yourself in the CV in the beginning. This is better than writing an objective. And now the most important head, professional experience. Freshers can write about the exposure and the experience they got during their internship or the articleship, as the case may be. Whether you are an engineer or a CA, CS, CMA, or from bio field or from any field, you can write about your experience, your internship experience, and try as much as possible, try to quantify the things. Try to quantify whatever you have learned, whatever you have done during your articleship or internship. See, I have showcased everything what I have done during my articleship. Small details I have shown, because this tells the recruiters and the managers what work you have done. You can't just write about the audit you have done. You need to show that you have organization skills, you have team leadership skills, you have team management skills, you have team playing skills, and that you can only show by showcasing the work you have done. And as much as possible, please try to quantify the things. Now, this is the education and certification head. You can just write about the education, or the both education and certifications if your CV is not that strong and you want some, or you want some different profile, you want to change a profile. And no need to write everything. Just write about those certifications for which you are looking for. Like if you want to go into investment banking, then write about that certification. No need to make your CV so long. Then the technical skills. Either you can write the technical skills in bullet points, or you can write it in a creative way like I have done. The basic skills, the intermediate skills, the advanced skills. And please be true to the recruiters, please be true to yourself, please be true to the managers. This is my favorite head. Extracurriculars and awards or acknowledgements. Now, during my school life, I was just a boring person, a studious, bookworm person, first bencher, introvert. I didn't have that much extracurriculars during my school life. I was just a participant in few games like chess. I was a part of consumer club, and maybe here or there I have just participated in few more things like commerce olympiad, in which I secured 90.80 percentile in my class 11th and secured the first position in school. I was the school topper. So no need to write everything, just be short and be best, because no one has got time to read your whole CV. So just save their time and your time, and be true to yourself, be true to the recruiters and the hiring managers. Now I have added this head, but there is no such important or necessity of writing this. This is just I have showcased my projects which I have done on my personal basis. I have never been to college, so I have written the initiatives, whatever I have done, just to showcase that I have knowledge of all these things, and I'm searching for these type of, I'm looking for these type of roles. That's why I have written about my initiatives I have taken. And even in this too, I have not written everything. I have not showcased that I have knowledge of stock market. I am passionate about stock market. I have not shown about that, and few more things. And the other important thing, this is about hobbies and interests. Do write about this too, because this will be a part of icebreaker during an interview. So do write something about your hobbies and interests in this. Now, all these extracurriculars, all the work and experience you have got, whatever you are showcasing in your CV, showcase that you are willing to learn, you are willing to work, you are willing to explore, you have got organization skills, you have got team leadership skills, you have got team playing skills, you have got problem solving skills, and much more. So each and everything written by you showcase about your skills. So be the best version of yourself. Show everything about yourself in the CV, but stick to the job profile you are applying for or you are looking for, and try to showcase the best of yourself while quantifying the things.